Where is Ronnie? Ain't you say you had something to tell the people?
Go, Harry. Go. Huh? What happened?
Didn't you say you had something to tell the people?
Oh, yeah. Come on. Let's go outside. Listen up. Listen. This is what's going to happen, all right? Digital Vibe has $500 on the line for the #1 person who can do our dance to the Hip Hop Harry TikTok dance that we have, okay? We taught the routine. We submitted our video. You guys had to dance, learn it. There's a freestyle at the end. Make sure you guys go ahead and bust out your best moves. We're looking for energy, full out, outfits, everything. We want to see what you guys have to your utmost best ability, okay? Now, the requirements you have to do is make sure you're part of a summer camp, because the $500 will be going out to that summer camp to use for whatever they want to use with their students and anything like that, okay? So guys, you're going to be submitting your videos to us via email, and the first 6 will be submitted into the contest, okay? This is the TikTok Hip Hop Harry contest, okay? So this is our contest, our TikTok. Make sure you guys do it. $500, guys. $500. I want that money. I want it, okay? So we want you to make sure you guys are out there. Let's go ahead and do it. Submit your videos, and we're going to be lit. Go, Harry. Go.
Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
Go Harry, 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 go Harry.
Who's next?
All right. Yeah, we're back. We're finna do this move called the arm swing, okay? I call it the arm swing. Now, you're gonna swing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, it may look like you're fighting to win or something, I don't know. You're not really fighting to win. You're gonna bounce, you're gonna hop 2 times on each side. First, it's gonna be like this. I'm gonna give you an example. Go, 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 go. You see that? So the first 2 swings, the right, the left, you're not hopping. Now you're gonna do right 2 times, you're gonna hop 2 times. Okay? So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next move. So after we do those swings, bum, bum, boom, next move is to the whoo, whoo. That's a swing too. It's both hands and you stump your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I'm gonna do it with no music real quick. A little bit of feeling in it so I can get a little idea of how it's gonna look. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go, 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 go. All right. The next move is like a jersey move. Involves your knee, the left knee. Okay? So what we're gonna do, our knee is gonna be coming out on go. And we're gonna step back with the right leg. So it's gonna be like go, 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 moving our shoulders as well, shoulders and arms. But if you can just move your arms or your hands, whatever make you feel comfortable, just do it that way. So it's gonna be like go, 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 go. Okay, y'all get it. I stopped saying go because I know y'all was getting tired of it. I was getting tired of myself. So it's gonna be like that. We're gonna do that 8 times, and then we're gonna switch from that to the walk. It's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna start over again from the knee out go into that walk, okay? 8 and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go, 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 go. Who's next? All right, I'm gonna tell you what's next. Y'all feeling good back there? Y'all got this? Okay, thumbs up. Okay, we're gonna do it again from the beginning so we can get to this point. and we can run over the whole thing over and over. I'm gonna move to the next step after that. So we're gonna start from the top. Arm swings. Ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Go, 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 go. Who's next? Go, 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 go. I'm gonna tell you what's next. The next move. Get your arms ready. We're gonna jig to the left. It's gonna be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We gonna do it again? Okay, so we're gonna do it again. So we're gonna go, 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 go. Now we're gonna slide like he just did. We're gonna do the slide. Y'all ready? It's like this. Go, 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 go. Now I counted in my head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 2 counts of 8. All right. So from the beginning of that move, we're gonna jig to the left. Go, 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 go. See my feet, y'all? See my feet? Y'all see my feet? Now when you do it, put feeling into it. You know what I'm saying? Like let them see it. You say, well, you going that way? Then you go that way? And then you go this way? Then you go that way. That's what we call feeling the moves. Okay? Now we're gonna start it from the beginning, and then we're gonna work our way, level up. No Sierra. A shout out to her.
You think we can play with some music?
Not right now. I don't think right now would be good. But since you asked for it, and since you requested, we're gonna play it live from Digital Vibes. From the beginning. Let's go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Say. Oh my God, you guys are doing good. All right, let me stop right there. I just want to give y'all a taste of what it's gonna sound like. I don't want to get into it because I want to finish the whole thing before we do it. And listen, you guys are too excited back there. Don't worry about them. He had his coffee and he got his sleep, so they're just hyped. But this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it from the next step and work our way up. The grand finale is hearing it with the music and dancing with the music. Okay? Right now you're dancing with the stars. So let's go. Y'all ready for the what part we at now? What part we at? Do you remember? Oh, that one. Okay. Oh, my favorite part is coming next. Oh. Shout out to Willie for this one. This is a really good part coming up. Okay. I'm gonna break it down like this. It's a little difficult, but you can do it your way, but I'm gonna show you the original way to do it, okay? So we're going in, going out, going in, going out, going in, going out, going in, going out. Now, the best way for me to show you is to do it a little faster than I was doing it, because when you're doing it faster, it looks different versus going slow. So it's like, and yeah, it does double up too. But I'm just trying to teach y'all how to do the movement before I double up on y'all. Because once I double up, meaning I do the move in like a double form, you're gonna really get lost. So I have to show you how to do the move before we move on. That's a doubling up, right? That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you step by step with the double up. How about that? We'll do it like that. So it's gonna be like, go, 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 go. Who's next? Now, I'm gonna tell you what's next. It's hip hop Harry. Everybody gonna be saying that. That's the part where you wall out. It's the freestyle part. But I do have a move for that freestyle area. If you want to do the same move I'm doing, just got to get your hands and your feet ready for that, because you know me, he ready. I hear him clapping. So we're gonna start from the top and work our way to that piece, and then we'll do it with the music. How about that? All right. So let's start from the swings, arm swings. All right, ready? Swing at it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Go, 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 go. Who's next? Go, 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 go. Right leg. Go, 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 go. Who's next? Go, go, go. We still going. Go, go, go. Look that way, go. Look that way, go. Look that way, go. Look that way, go. Who's next? When last, okay, just do it. Okay, just do it. Okay, just do it. Okay, who's next? And then that's when they're gonna say, go Harry, go Harry, go Harry. My hair's not out, his is out, so I can just use him. Go Harry. And that's the ending of it, but you're gonna have fun with it. It's an 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're gonna be saying, go Harry, 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 go Harry. Who's next? That's 2 count of 8. Just let y'all know. Hopefully I taught y'all something just then. All right, so we're gonna do it with the music. DJ, drop it from the top and let's hear what it sounds like. We're gonna see how I look with the music. Y'all ready? Let's. Hold on, stop real quick. I'm sorry. DJ, can you turn up a little bit? I'm trying to get in my zone. I don't want to get lost. We work hard for this. We need to hear it loud. So all you do is turn that volume up a little bit. Take it up right there. Oh yeah, you did a good job. Shout out to the DJ, making things work. DJ is disc jockey, okay? But there is no diss over there. No dissing you. It's all love. Okay? You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. Oh.
Who's next?
Uh-oh. To the left.
Who's next?
Oh. Look at him. Oh.